এগুলোর ফলস্বরূপ আর কি।
হুম হুম ট্রু ট্রু past karma, past lives karma. Yeah. Okay. Anybody who would like to try? Shubhra, Rajiv?
I
Yes.
can take a holistic view from what I understand. So
Hmm.
I think it can be for various reasons. One is, I think, what we understand, medical reasons, genetics,
Hmm.
lifestyle, etc.
Hmm.
Second can be our daily habits, stress, sleep, nutrition, etc. Third thing, which I've really experienced as and when I've aged, is the mind and the body connection. How does stress affect you? How does anxiety affect you? Suppressed emotions, how does that affect you? And
Hmm.
fourth, which I'm learning, is naturally the spiritual perspective. What is my inner conflict? Is there an emotional burden that I carry?
Hmm.
What is the connection with self? So that's
Hmm.
a perspective that probably I am learning, but I think a mix of all these things.
Okay. Okay. Good try. Good try. I really like that people who are new are trying. And thoda bahut lag raha hai. Okay. Yes, Rajiv?
Yes, Didi, I absolutely agree with Shubhra's point. I think she already told what I was thinking to say, especially the third and the fourth reasons are fully aligned with my thought process.
Hmm.
Uh, if I have to add something, I'm not sure how to say it, but I think it's when we don't purify our energy and we think negatively about
Hmm.
ourselves, and sometimes also we do overthinking.
Hmm.
Things started to nest in our body, and eventually we manifest something that our mind has been experiencing for a long time. Our body also get to experience that diseases. That's what
Yeah.
I think. It's like how when you sweat, all the toxins will go out
Hmm.
in the same way through purifying our energy and spirit through somebody do sadhana or nam jap
Absolutely.
and things like that. We also need to purify the energy side of it, so I think we get clean up at the end. Otherwise, I think she explained more beautifully than what I try to conclude, but I think we more or less align somewhere close to each other.
Some extent, yes, yes, absolutely. To some extent, yes. All of you are correct to some extent, yes. Tanmoy, would you like to give a try?
No, no, I think yeah. Everything, every point is yeah. I can't remember actually what we discussed to be precise, but I think more or less, apart from something which I can't remember, more or less is included with Shubhradi and Rajiv Das points,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
also yeah.
yeah. So, yes. So sometimes diseases are uh, most of them. Yes, Swagata, Tomar, I want to hear from you. What are the reasons of diseases? সবাই কিছু না কিছু ডিজিজের কারণ কি? অসুখ বিসুখ হয় যে আমাদের জীবনে, ওটার কারণ কি?
আমরা মানে ডাইরেক্ট বা ইনডাইরেক্ট মানে আগের জন্মে কোনো কিছু কোনো কুকাজ করে এসেছি বা কাউকে কোনো হার্ম করেছি, মানে সেটা আমরা মানে তখনের তো আর বুঝি না। আর যখন নতুন রূপে মানুষ হই, তখন যখন কোনো ডিজিজ হয় বা কোনো খারাপ হয়, কেন আমার ভাগ্যে হয় এই জিনিসটা, তখন আমরা ডেস্টিনির উপরে দোষ দিই। কিন্তু মেন আমাদের আগের জন্মের কিছু কর্মের ফলই আমাদের এই জন্মে সেটা ভুগতে হয়।
হুম, হুম,
আমরা এই জন্মে মানুষ হয়েছে ওই কারণেই যে এই জন্মে আমরা ওটাকে রিয়ালাইজ করব, তাহলে নেক্সট ওই ভুল থেকে যাতে শিক্ষা নিতে পারি,
হুম, হুম।
তার জন্য।
True, true. All of you are correct to some extent. Happy to hear that Kichu you have attempted, and you to some extent all of you are correct. Again, to some extent, Some are, I need to just tweak a little bit when we talk. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you very much, everybody, for giving your, point of view. That's when the meetings become so interactive and lively. So diseases, yes, the foremost thing both Ria and I think Swagata have mentioned is the foremost thing is diseases come from past lives. We have created karmas. That's why we have to be very. That's why बोलते हैं ना कि money only join money class and you don't need to know anything else. Even to earn money, you have to have you have to become a good human being. We think that money only goes to bad people. No, most of the only 0.1% of the people in this world who have money are corrupt. Most of them who have money are very good people. Only when your energies are good, helping, giving to people, that's when money will come to you. You know. So in the same way, even for diseases as well, so it is past life. Also, I'm not saying that it is nothing to do with good and bad. Sometimes you are right now you are working on yourself, but something from the past can come up, and you might, I'm not saying God forbid nothing happen. A fatal disease can come up. So here in this group, we should never judge anybody. If anybody has yes, Ria.
দিদি আমার ক্ষেত্রে মনে হয় যে এই জিনিসটা পাস্ট লাইফের কার্মাও, আর একটা জিনিস হচ্ছে যে লাইক বিলিফ সিস্টেম, যেমন যারা একটু সিনিয়র ক্যাটাগরির আছে ওরা ভাবে যে কি, যে ওর এটা হয়েছে তার মানে এটা আমার হবে, ওর থেকে জ্বর হয়েছে তার মানে 2 দিন পর আমার হবে, তো এটা অনেকটা বিলিফ সিস্টেমও হইতে পারে।
Absolutely. I'll touch all of these points now. Yes, very correct. Very, very correct. Okay. So past lives karma happens. So that's why, first of all, we should not, we have a tendency, খারাপ করছে তো খারাপই পাবে. Have you ever seen that, when people suffer, we enjoy and see কর্মের ফল. Okay. Huh? And when we are suffering, we say we are evolving, we are becoming better human beings, we are transforming. That's why this problem has come to us. হ্যাঁ, and অন্যের হলে একদম যেরকম কর্ম করবে সেরকম তো পাবেই। Okay, so see, we all have done something in our. Yes, Tanmay.
To add one point, actually, but whenever something come up with me, like I'm being tortured by someone, or I'm being heated by something else which is abstract, or for some disease, but my feeling is like that. Yes, 100% I agreed with this point, that at the same time I feel that okay, I think this is the result of my past life karma. And when I feel like this, then I am not getting that much trouble or that much pain, and it's very easy for me to accept this pain, and to recover this pain as well,
Yeah.
and to heal the past life
Yes.
karma.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's
When we
true.
meditate, we can also
Yes.
burn those karmas which are affecting our
Yeah.
diseases right now, right? Yeah, very
Yeah.
correct. Very correct.
Yeah.
So the foremost thing comes from past life. Then, but at the same time, you will see people who are. So let us understand from many different perspectives. Why did Ramakrishna had cancer? Why did Vivekananda die at an early age? Okay. So this also sometimes happens is that, sometimes these higher masters, they tend to, first of all, because this is your last, maybe after this this is your moksha. There is something called enlightenment and there is something called moksha. Moksha means you will not even be born in the human body anymore. Okay. Enlightenment, and when your energies become so high, it is impossible to even be born in the human body anymore. Okay. So sometimes before moksha, it gives you intense pain in the body. All the karmas of the past comes at one go, and they release from your life. Sometimes just before death, people, I told you, right? Kashi is a beautiful place, but Kashi is also a place of intense pain and suffering for people also. बिकॉज काशी में अगर आपने बहुत खराब कर्मा किया है, लेकिन काशी में you will see all these widows and all these people. Why they go to Banaras? Because Banaras is a place, protected by Bhairav. And Kal Bhairav is a god, or the energy of this entity is like that. It will accelerate your enlightenment process. But in that process, the suffering will also be more, right? Because आपको 3 जन्म लगेंगे ये कर्मा काटने में, फिर आप एनलाइटन लेंगे. बट काल भैरव क्या करेगा? इट विल इंटेंसिफाई द प्रोसेस, एंड मे बी in just before death, maybe एक महीना या फिर एक साल, you go through intense all this grilling and everything, and suddenly you attain moksha. Okay, so let us also not judge people when they go through diseases. I'm just giving you, there are many multiple reasons for having diseases. So this is one of the reason why even enlightened master, they go through extreme pain, cancer. Body hai to hoga hi na. Swami Rama, Swami Ramana Maharishi also had cancer somewhere, and his surgery was done without even giving anesthesia. He didn't even feel the pain, so his surgery was done without giving anesthesia. So, so we don't take it always disease as very bad, past life karma hai, मैं तो भुगतूंगा ही, मैंने कुछ गलत किया है and everything. Again, don't go into that guilt mode, shame mode, ke, oh my God, now what will people say? I also go through a lot of sometimes ups and downs of the body. Okay, and it is body hai to karega. But again, the disease, don't take the disease as something to be scared of. It is trying to tell you something. If you listen to it, diseases are actually blessings. you know so now let us leave behind past life karma. Let us now understand. Sometimes diseases tell us something. Maybe the if you have cancer, the disease is trying to tell you that maybe you're holding resentment towards your relatives, or somebody who had done some sexual abuse or something, or just you are not being able to forgive that person. You're holding a lot of resentment, or maybe you're holding a lot of resentment from lot of people, and that is affecting your body. Okay, so this can happen. So again, shoulder pain, there are you if I actually gifted this book to somebody. I will again bring that, I will buy that book, Heal Your Body. Very small, it's like a dictionary, small dictionary, Heal Your Body by Louis Hay. This lady has done research on diseases, and she has found that past life, yes, Guddu has left because Guddu joined the morning meditation, same meditation she did in the morning, on health and disease. So it's okay if she leaves. So yeah, so past life is one thing, and then there is something we have to always understand. Even for past life also, past life we did some karma. Okay, हमने no, don't just always think है कर्मा किया है, कर्मा किया. कर्मा के साथ आपका कोई thought process था, negative thinking था. From that thinking, that karma got created. So even if you don't know the past life, in this life also, if you can connect to the body will tell you. Maybe you're holding jealousy, maybe you're holding resentment. Sometimes not just always negative, sometimes it is also the burden of the world. The upper shoulder, it tells you that you hold a lot of burden of your family and everybody. You are always taking everybody's responsibility. Too much of burden, it affects the upper shoulder. Lower back, has when it is lower back problem, you have money fear, you have fears with money. That's why you have this lower back problem. So many things can connect to diseases. So many things. Liver, most of the time liver is like, when you have intense anger, you will have liver issues. It can be past life and anything, so it's not always. So don't judge people saying, you are liver, so you have intense, you are not a good person. No, it can be many things, but one of the factor can be, when we go into therapy, exact reason can be found. But one of the reason of having liver issues is intense anger. Okay, so in so many ways, Gallbladder. I lost my gallbladder some many years back, some 9 years back, and at that time I was feeling very helpless. For some reason, there were some incidents happening, and I was feeling weak, helpless, and all these things. And I lost my gallbladder at that time. Gallbladder is almost around this area. This is the solar plexus. This is the solar plexus area, the place of confidence, the place of power, the place of willpower. So when you don't have power anymore, when you feel powerless, this area will get affected, right? So anything in this area will get affected along with अगर ऐसा नहीं सोचो कि मेरा तो सोलर प्लेक्सस इफेक्ट हो रहा है. सोलर प्लेक्सस इफेक्ट कैन आल्सो अफेक्ट योर बॉडी डिजीजेस, create diseases in the body. Today morning I was telling the story of my father. My father had his first surgery when I was 6 years old. Okay. And many people say, oh, your father cholesterol was, it's not that. He doesn't have that kind of, stent went lagana, block. He never had blocks and everything. His valve had a problem. He had a valve repair surgery. Many years back, 89, he had that surgery. So my parents, he had 3 surgeries, and the same valve had to be, operated 3 times. So many people will say, "Arey, hereditary hai." So hereditary also will come. Okay, wait. So many people will say all these things, but if I was, because thankfully now I become a spiritual scientist. Like I always try to dig, कि क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हुआ है, and everything. So I just connected to the fact that, see, this is heart. This is the heart chakra. Okay. And here the heart chakra means it has the major organs which are connected to the heart chakra is, is heart, and it is also lungs. And also it is not just that, there is something called, I think one gland is there at the back of the heart chakra called hypothalamus. So if you will see, when you are very sad, you will catch cold. When you are a little bit of in grief, you might catch cold, because immunity level also, that gland, which I think hypothalamus or something, that gland name is, that is responsible for a lot of immune. It releases a lot of hormones which protects the body. But if this area is affected, it will affect the heart, it will affect the lungs, it will affect your the gland, and it can take many different shapes, my father, what happened is that my father's eldest brother, my tau, was murdered when I was 1 year old. Okay. And it was a shock for the whole, we were in a joint family, it was for the shock for the whole family. And I was 1 year old, but I've heard stories that my father went crazy at night. 1 or 2 o'clock, he would just leave the house trying to find the murderer and trying to catch the murderer. And my mother would worry, thinking that if the murderer catches my father and in return he kills my father, what is going to happen? This was a panic state in my house when I was 1 year old and my tau was murdered. Okay. So what happened is, and my father went crazy for years. He used to roam around. He forgot everything, and so many things. Just 5 years after that, he had this heart problem. Okay. So it was, and men have a problem of not crying. That's why I tell you, especially my men in my group, you should have a balance, masculine and feminine. You should be ready to cry. If you're shy that people will watch, go to a room, play breathwork music, or do breathwork with me on Fridays, and you should be crying. Men, women cry, and that's why you will see women ke bahut kam. You will see rarely women has heart issues or surgeries, and later age they will have. Men is rampant with heart issues. One of the reason is men don't cry. They hold the grief in their body, in their heart chakra. Okay. That's when it comes up in terms of, heart problem and everything. So that's why, see friends, so much the body is. So now we come back to the connection of what Shubhra said and what I think Rajiv was telling. Tanmoy, I've touched on Tanmoy, Ria, and Swagata. Both you have spoken about past life. Yes, we have touched that. Now I come to what? That fact of psychosomatic. Everything is psychosomatic, friends. Everything is psychosomatic. Okay? कुछ भी हुआ है. No diseases in the body is without, it is just, you cannot just say it is hereditary also. I'll come back to you, Shubhra. Okay, about to clarify this. So everything is psychosomatic. कुछ भी होता है. That's why when somebody comes to me with some problem, I say just उसके पहले कुछ हुआ था, उसके आसपास कुछ हुआ था, कुछ ट्रॉमा हुआ था, या फिर कुछ स्ट्रेस आया था, या फिर कुछ हुआ था. So then you will be able to connect that then it got triggered and it got affected. Many things are from past lives, but many things are ovary issues. Okay, many time ovary issues has a lot of past life. As for example, I'll tell you, I have a cyst in my ovary, right? So many people were saying, the doctor said this is a kind of a cyst which cannot be healed through medicine. There are two kinds of cysts. One can heal through medicine, another needs a surgery. It is a harmless cyst, but it will keep growing. It might keep growing and it will cover up the whole tummy. That was I was told. And when and ovary is related to feminine energy, ovary is related to mother energy. Okay, so mother, too much entanglement. Now I come to again family constellation as well. So when I realized this, I went into my own therapies and I was trying to figure out कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. And when Dr. Preeti was guiding me, I was trying to go deep and see कहाँ क्या है and everything. And I found out one of the thing is that, there is something called family loyalty. We are so loyal to our parents that we say that if you have suffered, I will also suffer. Sometimes we are so entangled. If we say that your emotions also I'm going to take, your emotions also I'm going to take, I'm going to accept that as mine. Yeah. Somewhere deep down, after so many, that's why I'm saying many people say, oh, I have healed, I have changed. See, after 23, 24 years also, I'm just working like a class 1 student on myself. This is the kind of attitude you have to have, friends, if you have to transform your life. It is a layer by layer transformation. We have to continuously keep working on ourselves. Yeah. So when I did this comes from the transgenerational part. Jahan pe I realized that I was too much entangled, still too much entangled to my mother. And my mother also exactly had the same surgery that I might have or might not have, depending on whatever the universe wants. Once I'm working on it, my mother also, some 2-3 years back, her cyst became so big that it was like she went into medical emergency and she had to be operated. Hmm. So when I went into deep, hypnotic states, I realized that my mother had lots of fear. So that fear also I took from my mother when my father was 6 ki thi. What would a woman who is a housewife doesn't work fear? What will happen to her kids where if my man dies? These are her fear. And the same fear she has given it to me when I was 6. So I was also holding the 6-year-old child fear in my ovary. So I realized all these things and I understood that I'm entangled with my mother. So this is what happened to me. And see, sometimes we use the word hereditary. Okay. So hereditary, Bruce Lipton was a man who has done research some 20-25 now years back. He has already done a research saying that there is nothing in this world called hereditary. I'll tell you the reason. There is hereditary, there is also not hereditary. I'll tell you why I'm saying there is hereditary, at the same time not hereditary. It is, so we have DNAs, okay? And DNAs, they have, so in our DNA, there is a small extended part called telomere. Okay, this telomere, Dr. Bruce Lipton found out that these telomeres, they pick up certain things from our parents, okay, or from our ancestors also. We might pick up cancer, this, that, diabetes, sugar, so many things we say that we have picked up from them. Okay, so we pick up from these and these remain in the telomere in an inactive state. ओके, इनएक्टिव स्टेट में वो रहते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि है तो मुझे भी हो जाएगा, वैसा नहीं है। वो हम पिकअप करेंगे, हम लेंगे, but what activates this telomere? Suddenly we start having diabetes, or we start having the same mother's problem, is when we start thinking the same way as our ancestors, our parents. Cancer. If a family, many, like there was a man, there, my husband has just gone to meet him, his friend. He's such a young chap. He's just 3-4 years older to me. Some 7 months, 7 years back, he had a big heart surgery, so many blockages, so many things and everything. So when I went to meet him, such a cute guy, such a nice guy. But when I went to meet him, you know, he said that he said that मुझे तो होना ही है, मेरे अंकल को है, मेरे पापा को है, सब, my this uncle died of heart problem, that. Yes. Then see, are you also repeating the same kind of and he's also a very fearful guy. Okay, I've always seen him extremely fearful about small thing, everything. He's very cautious and fearful. So fear also affects the heart. It also affects, more than that, grief, and a lot of grief maybe they are holding, and because they are men, they cannot express it, and because they are repeating the same pattern. पापा भी ऐसा ही शायद grief में, heart में, और दिखा रहे थे मैचो, मैं मैचो हूँ, मुझे रोना नहीं है types. Okay, and happy, I'm always happy. So sometimes we have a, I have also met many spiritual people. They said, oh, meditation has made me so nice, I'm always so happy and happy. I say that nonsense. You're not that working deep. Okay, if you are working deep, it will take one layer after another, and you will experience those, and it is natural to feel those experiences, so that you come out, you experience, you try to ask, why am I feeling like this? Why is it happening like this? If I'm feeling like this, can I cry? Sometimes for no reasons, my husband said, क्या हुआ, सब तो ठीक था, क्यों रो रही हो अचानक से? And I will howl. I'm like a baby, I will howl. And because somewhere I'm feeling there is some pent up energy in my body and needs to come out. So I don't worry about, oh, what is somebody going to think, or I have to. I just feel that there is some sadness in my body has suddenly picked up, and I need to release it. And you will see, kabhi kabhi, have you seen that? That after a good cry, we feel so relieved. Have you observed that? Especially women and men, if you have cried, you will realize that. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So crying is good. Don't make it a habit. Don't become a cry baby. Don't feel like a victim. But crying is good. Yes, Swagata.
হ্যাঁ, আমারও যেমন থার্সডের ওই মানে মেডিটেশনের যে মানে আই কন্টাক্টের পরে যেটা ছিল, সেখানে আমারও মানে বিনা কারণে দেখলাম চোখে অনেক জল। মানে আমি নিজেও তারপর একটু অনেকটা মানে হালকা লাগলো, মানে মানে জানি না কারণ কি ছিল,
Yes,
কিন্তু
yes. That's
সেটাই।
why in therapy, so much of crying happens. So much of crying happens in therapy. If you're doing properly therapy, many, especially for women, so much of crying happens. So I just, we should become like babies. I feel like this, completely be with that. Whatever you're feeling, if you're being with that, it will, emotion is nothing but energy in motion. But most of the time, when it is no longer an energy in motion, it gets stuck in the body, and that's when we have diseases. Okay? So that's why we should let it go, let it pass. I feel like crying. My son will come sometime, Mama, why do you need to cry? I said, Papa, leave me alone. Let me just cry. Let me just cry. And because these men, they don't understand, and they don't understand the process also, what I'm going through. Okay. And once I cry, and then again, and I'll be very happy after that. So this is a process that we need to grow through, and that's why women don't go through so much of heart diseases as much as men go through. So Rajiv and Tonmoy, try to become a little womanly in these cases. Okay. Okay. So this is what. Then again, when I went into my hypnotic states to figure out what is the reason behind my ovaries cyst. I figured out that I have mother wounds from past life. That's why, why do I love all animals? I've seen many births where I was an animal. We have not become human being at one go, friends. We were minerals first. Everything is consciousness. I've spoken to you. We were mineral first. And then from mineral, we became plants. From plants, we became animals. From animals, we became human beings. Okay, and it's a process. We are going to get enlightenment. So, but I've seen a birth where I was a snake, and sometimes, you are like snake, and I could see that, my babies, these eggs were being attacked, and I was so scared. I was like about to, and this was a pain, you know, this was a huge pain for me that I cannot protect my own baby. This is called mother wound. Mother wound also affects the ovary, because it is the feminine area. Hmm? Then I also have seen, I've seen multiple births where my child was killed in front of me. Even Ridanis was in one life where he was killed in front of me. Okay, because of, at that life I was a queen, and I had no king around. He died, and for the property, me and my son, but my son was killed before in front of me, and then I was killed. That pain of the mother. मैं मर रही हूँ, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, लेकिन मेरा मेरा जो बेटा मर रहा है, वो पेन मुझे still there, and I had to let go of all of this. I'm still working on it. I'm continuously working. That's why it says we are, spirituality is like digging deep. Not like, oh, I'm meditator, I'm so. Yes, we have to be happy. We have to increase our vibrations. We have to find out ways of increasing our vibrations, but not through drama, not through acting. I'm feeling sad, but because I'm a spiritual person, I have to act that I'm so cool. No, this is not real spirituality. This is spiritual bypass. Yeah. One day Rajiv was asking, na, that, and I told him the story about that lady who came with psoriasis in the whole skin. And she went to Dr. Newton, and Dr. Newton, and she was raped, somebody in childhood. And she said, no, 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 she was a meditator. So she said, no, no, I've forgiven everybody and all these things, flowery and nice, nice. And Dr. Newton made her get into that anger and all jo pent up, jo tum chupa ke rakhi ho, suppressed emotion. That's why I also do, in breath work, I tell you that take out all the anger. I cannot tell you. I'm so grateful that whatever I teach, it matches. I went into a recent, course and a very big organization, and I saw they do the same thing. There was where when we were told to shout, "Ke chillao." You might be thinking, इतना बड़ा organization, इतना कुछ समझ हमको पागल है क्या? No, they know the trick. They know the truth that you have to take out pent up energies. You cannot keep it just thinking, oh, I'm spiritual, I'm good, I'm nice, I need. No, I don't do that, and I also don't teach my students that. That's why on Friday I tell you, keep maybe sometimes like this pillows. If you feel like shouting and you don't want anybody to hear that shout, put it. I do it like this, and I shout. That's when our pent up emotions, energies, cry, frustration hitting. One day I did it with the kids meditation. I taught them how to take out energy by squeezing towels. I said, do it like this and take out all the sound from the from the throat. So this is not crazy, friends. I'm not teaching you crazy. Especially, I've learned from so many masters, and recently when I went, I said, oh my God, they're teaching the same techniques that I'm teaching. Okay. So that is what you release. Then traumas from childhood can also affect. I said it is not just past life. बचपन का भी trauma अगर हुआ है, I told you, like given an example, rape हुआ है, वो आपने release नहीं किया है, तो वो body में रह गया है, वो psoriasis होगा, बहुत कुछ होगा. Sometimes when inner child में कभी कभी, when all these things, you will see people who are sexually abused, ना, they are very fat, body में effect हो जाते, बहुत मोटे हो जाते. बचपन में अगर sexually, not always rape, even just sexual abuse, every day somebody, I've seen stories, I've heard stories, the the maid, the male maid, the male, worker in the house, continuously sexually, not full rape, but continuously raping, sexually abusing that child every day for 3 4 years. Now this child has cannot trust anybody, gain fat, very very fat, because skin is a way of protecting. So kabhi kabhi, you will see people become, where people who are sexually abused, you will see they become fat, they start developing pimples in the face, they will become very, ugly. Kabhi kabhi polycysts, they reject their femininity, so they start, when you have polycyst, you will also develop mustaches. Women start developing mustaches, they will have a little bit of beard. All these things happens because, the women have fears that if men sees her beauty, they will attack. So see what we can create from our own body. So, and that's, it's also a very big awareness that we are powerful creators. Sometimes also, friends, this I'm talking about childhood traumas. Sometimes also what happens is that when we don't get love, okay, we create diseases in the body. Okay, you will see fever is a way. You are not feeling warmth, maybe family members are all very busy. It's not that they are hating you, there are fights sometimes, kuch nahi hai, but coldness hai, everybody is busy in their own work. You will see the child in the family will continuously keep falling sick. If the mother and father are continuously busy, don't have time for the child and everything, the child will continuously fall sick with fever or something, because fever is like it is a way of telling that I want warmth. So fever kya hai, आपके body को heat कर देता है, so you are getting warmth. Yeah, sometimes there are times when what happens is that you will also, the child is seeing that us, the parents are fighting. See how we create. So we are so powerful, friends. Kabhi kabhi humko lagta hai, I'm so grateful for this the spiritual science I'm learning, that whenever anything happens, I no longer, I very rarely blame. Even if I blame, I immediately go back to the understanding that I have created this. If somebody is behaving badly with me also, I have created this. Okay, let me see, why did I attract this? Oh, I don't respect myself that much enough. I think that's why I'm not getting that respect from that person, so I have to work on my own respect. So in the same way, we have to think about even diseases like that. So kids, what they do when they see that the parents are about to take divorce, fights, they will create, they are so loving towards their parents. They want the parents to be together. They fear even their, they fear if something, they also fear for themselves. Kids are also very, they are also very egocentric. They only think about themselves. मेरे लिए ही झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. अगर शायद खुद के प्रॉब्लम के लिए झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक बच्चे को हमेशा लगेगा कि मेरे लिए ही पेरेंट्स झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. छोटे बच्चे को हमेशा, दे आर ऑलवेज ईगोसेंट्रिक. किड्स आर, कि दे थिंक कि मेरे लिए ही सब कुछ हो रहा है, मेरे लिए ही सब कुछ हो रहा है. So when this kid sees the parents fighting, out of love, out of loyalty, out of its own fear कि मैं, मेरा क्या होगा, पेरेंट्स अगर अलग हो गए मुझे कौन देखेगा, बहुत कुछ कनेक्शन की वजह से the child can create fatal diseases in his body subconsciously. Sometimes they will become handicapped, sometimes they will attract cancer, sometimes they will attract big things in their life, so that now the parents will forget the fight and now will come back to take care of the child. So there are multiple reasons for having diseases. We have to be aware. So I talked about family constellation, that sometimes I told you about my own story as well, how I was entangled with my mother. Trauma, childhood traumas, sexual abuses and all these things can create diseases. Sometimes क्या है, उस टाइम में disease नहीं हुआ है, तब abuse हुआ है या फिर कुछ और हुआ है, मारपीट, physical मार, बहुत मार मिली है and everything, हाँ कुछ हुआ है तब, उस टाइम में nothing happened, but maybe many years later some small trauma, not big trauma, some trauma happened and it triggered you that memory of that childhood जहाँ पे आपके साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ था, and it will just pop up and you will start having it will manifest in the body. Okay, so We have to be aware of all these things. And diseases are, and also don't be scared of diseases, friends. They are our friends. See, so many things I got to know just because I had a cyst in my ovary. मुझे कितना कुछ मेरे पास्ट के बारे में पता चला, मेरे प्रेजेंट entanglements with my mother के बारे में पता चला. Sometimes, you know, this cyst also sometimes happens when your mother is a helicopter mother, and my mother is a helicopter mother. Have you heard about this term, helicopter parent? किसी ने सुना है helicopter parent?
না
Hmm? So we
Not
win.
yet.
Yeah,
Not yet, Didi.
yeah. So helicopter parents are especially these Indians, Bangladeshi, here, Pakistani, all these Asians, especially जो हम Indian ही थे पहले, हम में, or not just this, even China, you know, and all Thailand, all these, they are very, very, you know, pushy on the kids. They are always, you know, पढ़ाई किया, इसके बाद ये करो, अभी ये खाओ, over controlling, absolutely. Over controlling parents. So when you have helicopter parents, also you can have cyst in the, because the mother is too controlling. My mother is extremely controlling sometimes, extremely pushy. Out of love only she does, but it is very irritating. Okay, that's why we also have to be very careful. We will affect our children if we become helicopter parents. चिल्ड्रन के हेल्थ पे भी इम्पैक्ट होगा. माय मदर इज लाइक खाना नहीं खाती है, ये नहीं करती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है, घर नहीं संभाल सकती, ऑल द टाइम. लाइक इट्स लाइक, यू नो, व्हेन माय अदर वन, माय हस्बैंड्स फ्रेंड, he said, तुम्हारी मम्मी तुमको अभी भी ना 7 साल की बच्ची ही समझती है. He came one day and, you know, mother was doing something in front of him only, and he was laughing. तुम्हारी मम्मी तुमको अभी भी 7 साल की बच्ची ही समझती है. तो मैंने क्या करूं? It is only because of my spiritual practice that I love and accept her just the way she is. It is only her love that has made her so pushy, so over controlling in everything. Yeah, but it affects the ovary because mother wound. Again, it's the entanglement with my mother. I'm entangled. I love her so much unconsciously that I have taken her diseases also in my tummy. And another is like, you know, she's over controlling sometimes, which impacted me in the past. Okay. So many things can create a disease. That's why I'm so grateful. I feel so happy, you know, and I feel my body is like, you know, is like a, it's like my best friend. It teaches me so much. It teaches me so much, you know. Yeah, the cyst. Somebody was saying, I will send you healing. I said, don't send me healing. I don't want any healing. मुझे अभी लर्निंग की जरूरत है, तुम मुझे हीलिंग भेज रही हो. Okay, and it makes my life so joyful because I've learned, I've come out of it, I have, you know, cut some cords with my mother entanglements, I have processed my that life. Okay, another thing that's why, you know, friends, why I cannot do breath work that we do on Friday. We also do breath work with physical exercises, to the point where we are so tired that our body is giving up. That's why I'm telling you, yoga is so, or walking is so important, friends, when we are meditators. Because, friends, what happens is a lot of karma is also stuck in the body when we are releasing. Okay, and if I am not taking care of this, this needs to, ये meditation से नहीं जाएगा, ये only exercise से जाएगा body के भीतर. इसीलिए, you know, sometimes we do like this, you know, shamans. I'll also teach you another thing. Shamans, let's do it together to understand. And and on Fridays normally there is a breath work जो मैं बच्चों को कराती हूँ. If Rajiv has seen what I've done, and Tonmoy have seen what I do with the kids. With the kids, I don't do breath work like this, just sit and do, because they are in a time where I think they have not eaten lunch or dinner, and the kids are okay. They are not that, you know, they will not fall sick. for the adults, I'm not being able to put this. I want to put this in action very soon, but for that you have to promise that you will finish your dinner 2 hours before the session starts. Only then I can do this. Otherwise, that's why I'm not being able to start this on Fridays. So what we do is that with breath work, we do intense exercises like this. We keep doing this. We keep doing multiple exercises and different exercises. Some releasing, the energies from here. We are releasing energies from the back. We do a lot of, physically we try to release things from the chakras as well, but that can happen only when you also cooperate with me as a yogi. Especially for the Denmark people, I don't have problem, okay, because they are joining at 5. I think that's a good time. They already had lunch long back. They had gap. Keep 2 hours away. For the people of for Bangladesh and India, that is the reason I'm not being able to do. You have to give me, just if you can finish your food by 7:30 also, not 7:30 also, I can do this with you. This helps to release all the stuck energies from the body. And also, when we do it just by when we do it with lots of awareness, just by when we focus on the body and do it with, there are many interesting other things I will teach you. Maybe just by dance, you will be able to release lots of karma. One day I'll teach you, but it will make you exhausted a lot. Maybe one day we'll do that. Just by dancing, we will release a lot of karma. But then it's a different technique we will do. But this one we will do it maybe next Friday, and we will release. For now, what I'm teaching you is that after any meditation, or if you're feeling heavy in any part of the body, have you seen those gorillas? They do like this. Okay. What you will be doing is that after every meditation, let's do it. Let's start our meditation, and maybe I will continue with the meditation after this.